Beep, beep, beep. You still running high caps?
Yeah.
Why don't you just switch to mid?
Because money.
Okay, fair. That's why I haven't switched to mid on the Seike yet.
Let's just grab a building for ourselves.
Fucking poor.
I don't know how. I can't shoot.
I mean, hey man, it's harder than ever to get a job, so.
I know. I've applied to like 16 different jobs. They won't even respond to me.
Well, yeah.
It's fucking crazy, honestly.
They only want like fucking McDonald's veterans or some shit.
Yeah.
If you ain't crawled through them damn Mickey D's trenches, we don't want you.
I even tried applying at McDonald's. They're like, nah, no.
Just touch my eye, guys. When I get to my ref stand, I start the game. Team Gooners, Team Gooners! Dude, this is a murder hallway. Get out of here.
Get the fuck out, get the
This
fuck
is a
out.
murder cave.
Check behind us.
Team Wolf? Alright. We're Team Gooners. I'm sorry, brother. Welcome to the Goonsquad. Thank you. Behind us.
You're on Team Gooners! Wait, do I have to tap them to get...
Yeah.
Shit. Or bush.
Is that one of ours?
What team are you on?
Gooners.
Oh. But I might have to execute you.
No, they got saved! They got saved! They got a
Ah! Ah!
You hit?
Yeah.
Okay, Gooners.
Blue building, or green building right in front of us.
To your right, too, on the white building.
Back. Fuck. Are you still on Gooners?
Yeah, I'm still Gooners.
Cool. Fuck yeah.
They're moving this way.
Okay. We'll hold down here.
Sounds good.
We're gonna goon. We're gonna goon hard here. This is a spot for only the hardest of gooners. Check left. Half Goonsquad, right side.
Those are friendlies, right?
Fuck if I know, man. Shoot them. I don't think it matters really in this game.
Alright, fuck y'all, I'm going in the pit.
The pit
Oh,
you
I
go?
ain't getting out of there. Fuck that.
Get you into the pit, my child.
Out of that pit.
In the pit.
Yeah, they're ours.
Oh, they are?
Oh shit.
My bad. I'm kind of stupid.
It's all good. It's kind of hard to tell when there's no, like, you know.
Bands or anything.
Yeah.
Contact in front of us in the woods. Got contact left.
Are they all on our team?
I think Goonsquad's possibly the largest team right now. They're on our team over there.
I know, I see somebody farther back. Yep.
Team Goon. In front of us.
How you guys doing over here?
We're doing good. Goonsquad is holding.
We got a team pushing up over here as well. We did. We have more over there now.
Oh yeah.
So I picked up a blue barrel and was using it as a mobile shield. Oh, it's pretty nice. Yeah. It's just tiring.
Hey, ask Goon. Ask for Gooning.
Roll it and just go behind.
Ain't no asking for those guys.
Ah!
What the hell?
You good? Ah,
I'm
team
fine.
good. Team good.
Yep, they're right over there.
Oh shit.
Goon. Fuck. Right side, right side.
Airplane.
Shoot the airplane. Just shoot until you can't. You moving?
Ah, fuck.
Again.
We're fucking.
Get down. Get down. Are you hit?
We're getting pushed hard. Hard right side. Hard right side.
Alright, get him, get him. He's down, he's down. I'll cover.
Okay. You're gooners.
Shit.
Goonsquad.
Yeah. I'm back on it. Hey, thanks for treating me.
Ha! I'm down. Did one of y'all shoot me?
Okay, I think that hit. You guys hit?
Yeah.
Oh, this guy hit. Okay. Should we be re-recorded?
I think one of our teammates shot us.
Team good.
Go get that kid.
Come grab the gooners. We're good, we're good.
Team Gooner.
We're fucking gooning here. I recruited two to our cause.
That way.
Right around the corner.
Hey, we got smoke.
Right around the corner. He's saying right around the corner. Oh my god.
That's fine.
Team far forward. Fucking. I think gooning is doing good here.
Gooning is the best.
Exactly.
I think at this point there's more Gooners.
Yeah. You gotta scream you're a gooner.
Come on, be loud and proud about it.
Be loud and proud. We're all gooners here.
Hey, Goon Squad, they're coming that way.
Right side?
Huh?
What side? Where? We got someone left?
Yeah.
Got possible left. Got possible left side breach. Left side woods. Yeah, we're going in here.
Yeah, we're gooning over here, bro.
We're going in here.
Jerome, I'm gonna shoot that
Don't.
drone out of the sky in
That's-
a second now.
That was like $2,000.
Huh?
That's like $2,000.
I know.
My drone. My dad's drone, but. Keep the drone alone. Keep the
I don't know if I want to do that.
too fucking bad. All right.
I'm just kidding.
I think Gooners are pushing left. The Goonie boys are pushing left.
be a team, but I don't know.
Should we fucking push?
I don't know.
I think we should. Push hard through the woods. We will goonify the entire world.
Okay.
Where they at?
Cedar flag, the one they're aiming at. The sniper's back there.
Oh, which flag? What flag?
It's this one with the black tattered flag.
Black flag! Team at black flag! We're fucking gooning arty, eh?
Yeah.
They're black?
Tattered black flag, yeah. Two of them in there.
It'd be great if we had a smoke here. I don't know if we've lost any gooners yet.
Hey guys, I'm gonna push forward. You want to give me some cover on those guys? Yep. Yeah, I got you. All right, 3, 2, 1. Gooners.
We're gooning here. We're gooning hard here.
Goon cave.
Yeah. I think gooners have the entire
No,
field.
we have most of them.
Well, I was gonna say basically.
Dude, that's our thing. Gooning?
Gooner? Yeah. We gooning hard here.
Yo, you guys are killing it.
Just holding down the Goon Lagoon over here.
There might be ungooners right side. Might be possible non-gooners right side. Check. Just make sure they don't sneak up.
Someone want to come with me?
Watch out for that building
Coming.
with the black flag right in front of you.
I'm gonna check back here.
Yeah. We're
Just don't want to go alone.
hey, this way, this way. Right in fucking front of us. Right in front of us. We gotta go tell the rest of the team. Gooners, we got a lot of we got a pretty big team by town, by Red Building.
Red building over there.
Yeah.
Alright.
Got a pretty big group. I saw at least 4. I'm pretty sure they're non-gooners.
Alright. Hey, we got non-goon ops
got 'em.
over here.
All the non-goons are over there. I got one out, but watch them. They're coming. They're trying to take our team.
Watch out! These non-gooners are trying to ungoonify you! Stick strong!
Goonin! Are you gooners?
Kill all the non-gooners! Gooners forever! Ah, fuck. Grab him, quick. Run over, grab him. Here, I got you. Oh, are y'all gooners?
Who's coming in?
We're goons. Grab
I think
him.
I just got shot.
Howdy.
I'm
Sup?
down.
Howdy.
Okay, well now I'm howdy.
You guys are all howdy. These are all teammates.
3 seconds.
We're all
We're all howdy.
Bang, bang. Oh shit.
Hey, it's confusing now.
I know.
Yeah,
I get my gun wasn't loaded. We're all friendly shooting at each other.
Hey, you two gooners?
Back and forth. Yep, no shit. It got confusing.
Such chaos, howdy. I'm already on howdy. I'm grabbing 2 more howdies. Fuck.
Declassified.
Huh?
I ended as declassified.
There,
I see a guy looking right that's friendly. What's with them?
there's peaks in the woods.
Alright.
There's
Far back from the town. That's all I see.
yeah, no, right in front of us, like behind. I don't know what I'm saying. There are people right in front of us in the woods.
Well, why do we got a guy looking to our or whatever?
Huh?
How far are we pushed up to our right? How far is it down trail?
I don't know.
Alright. Right behind you.
Alright, sorry.
Yeah, I got right to left movement fast and steep. Blue in the trees, sound off.
Hello. Hey.
All right.
So not friendly?
How you doing?
Come.
Come again.
Woo! Spicy.
Oh god.
You hit?
Yeah, almost.
If they were, we would be receiving.
Right now we came across that open field. They got 4 fucking snipers watching that goddamn field.
Yeah.
If they came up here to see if I can make a difference, but shit, we're deadlocked here.
We got 5 minutes. I don't think we're gonna make it there even if we're on the car the entire time.
No, even if we were to just all be on point, fuck.
All we can do is try, eh?
Yeah. Trying definitely improves it. Oh, alright, that's good.
You know what? I think I remember you from that zombie event.
I do, I remember you too. Why are you not answering my texts, homeboy?
Oh, well, you see, my phone kind of got taken away.
Oh shit, what are you playing? Right around the
Yeah.
birthday party?
Yeah, of course. My parents don't know. Yeah. But you got a Discord?
I do.
I could do Discord.
I do have the Discord. Oh shit. Are you in the official server
Huh?
for the field?
No. I didn't know there was one.
Oh. Foggy ass goggles.
So you should get.
Oh, that's probably not good.
That's why you should get these. Whatchamacallit? Die I4. Alright.
Where they at?
Straight back. All around the guard shack.
You know. Oh, okay. I'm not currently getting shot at, so I'm gonna possibly push the fuck up.
Well, I'll probably push with you.